Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download TripAdvisor affiliate reporting in the dashboard. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by logging into your TripAdvisor affiliate dashboard. Once you are logged in, navigate to the reports section on the main menu. Click on reports to expand the options available. Select affiliate reporting from the drop-down menu. You will now be directed to the reports overview page. Here, you can choose the specific report you want to download. Look for the date range selector to customize your reporting period. Adjust the start and end dates according to your preference. After setting the desired date range, click on the Apply button. Next, locate the Download button typically found at the top or bottom of the report section. Click on the Download button to initiate the download process. A new window may appear, asking you to select the format for your report. Choose your preferred format, such as CSV or Excel. Confirm your selection by clicking on Download once again. Your report will now begin downloading to your device. Once the download is complete, access the report from your Downloads folder. Open the file to review your affiliate reporting data. You are now ready to analyze your TripAdvisor affiliate performance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.